read the box. What do you got?
I got these.
Okay. We got PACKOUT mods. For...
I like... This is like an airplane.
Airplane. Alright, I got the bigger, blacker PACKOUT.
I see that. I keep hitting this.
I know, we keep tripping over the weed whacker.
I know.
And you're halfway off the count. Is there something? Do I need to start smelling your drinks? Because the past 5 videos.
Smell it. It smells like espresso. Hey, we could go to Bear's Beans and Bagels and get some bagels and coffee. Well, for you, you'd have to get a refresher.
So if anybody's in Umatilla, Florida, that is.
Or around it.
You could get some amped up coffee, amped up refreshers, bagels.
Yeah.
All right. Might have been a friend of ours, not sponsored.
Shameless plug.
Okay, so we got some PACKOUT mods, and I need to get some parts off these. Can you grab me the channel locks?
Oh, okay. Hold on. I gotta set my coffee there.
She's gonna spill that on my table.
Look, I have a cut on my hand.
She has a cut on her hand.
Wait, they're normally here.
I moved them.
Wait, you moved something in your garage and...
They're over by the PACKOUT drawers. PACKOUT drawers.
Which drawers? These
drawers?
drawers?
No, over here.
These drawers. What in the tarnation is going on over here?
Oh.
I feel like you're somebody Sam. What in tarnations? What is this? Well, I got these. You need these to still do something, or
no,
that was just a gimmick?
I was just showing off
That was just a gimmick.
Stuff.
Okay.
So do you guys see this?
What is that?
I've got accessories mounted. Look, this is a magnet. We have Velcro hose, cable things.
Yeah.
And it's a bolt. So let's show them closer how this stuff works.
Okay.
All right.
So that I can get closer. We're going over here. And that's a wrap, folks. We're tired today.
She's doing drugs. All right. So you got a PACKOUT.
Okay.
And you got something in your hand.
I got these.
Okay, we're going to move this for a second.
Wait, so do we know who made these?
Yes, Alpha Engineering.
Oh, okay.
So they've made some of the other stuff that we have shown off.
Okay.
And somebody just on the comments said, when are you going to give something away to Canada? And I have 2 of these that I haven't started opening, so...
Ooh, so
Canada giveaway.
Oh, boy.
I think we should do 1 to the 75K and 1 to Canada.
Okay, so this one goes to the 75K?
Well, which one? Should we do this guy? Or should we do a drawer / bottom? I think a drawer.
For the 75K?
Yeah.
Sure, okay.
Okay.
We'll put it up.
Okay, so. Did you almost? Yeah, no, I had to move everything around. And this one is, so that's 75, so this is Canada.
Yes.
So we'll go over.
This one's already open.
We'll go over at the end how you can win this.
Yeah.
So throw that over there.
Okay.
And I'm going to start opening some stuff.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the magic. I want you to do me a favor and you open the rest of this and show them the half set while I go grab something.
Okay. Oh boy. Oh, I get to open something. Nothing in the box. So we got bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay. We've got 3 shorties. Ha! That's like me.
Okay. So Alpha Engineering created some replacement rails, and I'm going to show you a couple things. Actually, I'm going to have PACKOUT friends to show you a couple things.
Okay.
An advantage right away, and then a couple other things. So these are built like spot on. So take them close.
Okay.
Show them the profile.
Can you? There we go. Okay. Oh, wait,
and they replace your rails on your PACKOUT.
Okay.
So if you look at this, I've got a normal rail and I have a modified rail. And I'll put one on here in a minute, but I want to show you them a little more close. So this is the ones that fit the drawers, and I want you to show them this next thing. If you've ever tried to take these off the drawers, you have to use a punch, you break your plastic. So this is the stock, and then this is the Alpha Engineering. Show them the top difference of those.
Okay. Oh, well, okay. Can you see? Ooh. Okay.
Yes, I'm being super lazy. Look at that. So this is the other amazing thing. Okay? I'm going to put this in, and then she's going to show you up close.
Okay.
They have nutserts pre-installed in the rails. So now you can mount something, and you guys might have seen Stack Smarter do his little setup with the T-nuts and the track that has a slot, a T-track running all the way down it. Now that does mean that you could take one of Stack Smarter's, which he has tons of accessories, drill it out, and look at that. Bolt it right on. You just get a bigger bolt, boom, you're good to go. Okay. But what is it going to give us? Well, so you can mount anything. I think this is like a 1/4 Not exactly sure of the thread size. I don't have my little thread. My thread thing's over there. My thread thing's over there.
How come they don't say on here?
You talk to them. I'll be right back.
Oh, yeah. How come they don't say on the these are nuts, right? Bolts. That's what is the difference? That's gonna be a funny question.
The magnet is sticking to everything. So I have my little necklace. She
Beautiful.
wants a pearl necklace, and this is the necklace I get. So this is 5/16 by 18. So, good lord. So no, it's not that one. That one's too big. So let's try. There we no. It must be metric. So that makes it an M8 by 1.25. If you guys haven't ever seen these, I'll actually link this in the video. You can get these on Amazon, but these are the best. So it has both a hole and a tip. So, you know, chalice and vulva, male and female, right? Your innie and your outies, and you can check thread sizes. So I said an M8 by 1.25.
Yep.
Okay. The magnet threads on, bracket threads on, comes with nuts and bolts, right? So now anything that you could bolt, you could add onto a PACKOUT. So let's, real quick, we'll do one and I'll show you what it takes. It's actually not that bad. So, for example, this guy, we're gonna replace this one. I might have already loosened it. Okay. We're gonna take this out. Pull that off for me.
Okay. Okay. You don't need this part anymore, right? You just need this thing.
We are going to pull the screw out then. Maybe.
Oh, you probably want this one. No, that's one we just took. I'm confusing myself.
You normally don't have to take these off, but you do want to get the screw out of the hole. Can you take the screws out?
These ones?
Well, those aren't screws; those are bolts.
But
those need to
did.
come. Okay, never mind.
Oh.
They give you new machine screws because these rails are tapped. Okay, so we have the coarse thread Milwaukee ones.
Look, here I was going to do it by hand.
I mean, I was trying to be doing either, but, you know, you gotta know the difference between a nut, a bolt, and
What is the difference? Is that enough
I
question?
don't know, a bunch of men sitting around bars drunk talking about it. Okay, so normally when you're doing PACKOUT mods, you don't have to pull these top ones off. The only reason why I pulled it off is because it's easier to get this screw in. Okay, we can put it back in. On the drawers, it's super awesome because you just take this Phillips off, slide it up in, put the screw in, and now this keeps it from dropping down.
Yeah, don't lose that piece.
Okay.
Okay, you can
So now we got this guy, and where'd
Okay.
you do with the black? Where's the plastic?
This part?
Yeah. Okay. So we're taking it off of the stock Milwaukee. We're adding it onto here.
It's right there.
We're dropping the screw in.
Just a few screws loose.
Oh, we got a lot.
Uh-huh.
Slides in just like the stock Milwaukee. Get it lined up at the top.
Give it a little punchy punch. You want the rubber mallet thingy?
No.
Thingy? That's like my official term for it. The rubber
Okay,
mallet.
so just
thingy.
like the Milwaukee.
Look, that thing is gonna like cut my toes off. Look, see, he wanted the rubber mallet. Could have got it. Well, I probably
Seats it in. And then that machine screw that we replaced. Okay, so now, do I have stuff out of my way?
I think so.
Here we have a set of rails on the side. So now you just need 45-degree angle brackets and you can mount anything to the side of this. You could, I have a double-ended for my magnet mount, which is how she was having the tool holder. So you put this on the side of your PACKOUT, and now right? You've got tools that can go like that. You can sockets, anything that's obviously ferrous metal will stick to the PACKOUT. And now you have to get straw magnets. You can see that's working. It doesn't come with the magnets, but anything that you want to mount now to this rail, your heart's desire. And I believe he's got them for the small. This is obviously the medium. The large, the roller, but talking to him in messaging, he's planning on coming out for all of the PACKOUT sizes. So the XL, the cooler is the same size as the XL. Obviously this is medium, and this is the drawers / I believe this works for the roller. You only need 2 for the roller because it doesn't have back rails. But yeah, anything that you can drill a hole in, you can now put this What is your sick mind? Jeez, Louise.
I go to other places, I'm sorry.
Okay, so I guess that's it. It's honestly a simple mod. You guys just saw real quick how to install them. You saw a practical use for it, like the magnet
that's
stuck to the table,
convenient.
or the little cable holder.
Yeah, I like that.
You put the cable loop on your PACKOUTs, which if you guys haven't seen these cable holders, right? This one I have on my hose reel.
Let me go show them. Not that they don't know it.
So that is actually the right thread size for both. So if you bought these, which I guess we could link to this on Amazon too. If you bought this, you would have an extra loop and a magnet that you could attach. These I just got on Amazon, so I'll put that in the link too. But yeah, anything that's ferrous, magnetic, obviously, stick to that magnet. And the loop, well, anything that you can loop with a loop, cables, hoses, you're good to go. So I will put links to all of this in the description, but
we gotta figure out how we're gonna give the Canada one away.
We have double, right? We can give away the ones to Canada, and we have winners for that stuff. For that stuff. Because, you know, how you guys like my shirt? You still like my shirt?
Are they still on the...
I do read comments, and somebody was like, I don't get it. What does that mean, DeWalt sucks? Well, I mean, first of all, DeWalt sucks.
It is what it says.
Right?
Yeah.
Like your sister.
Right.
But it's honestly just a joke on Instagram and TikTok.
Right.
Don't really care. I have DeWalt stuff. I have a DeWalt joiner. Surface
I
planer.
we've got a few
DeWalt tape measures. My miter box that I got rid of when we moved, because you don't need 2 miter boxes in a tiny garage, was the DeWalt 12-inch sliding.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with DeWalt.
We just like
except for
having
it's
fun.
cordless.
Riding the bandwagon.
No, we start the bandwagon.
Oh,
we're the conductors of this train.
Okay. What do they call the beginning of a bandwagon?
Trendsetters.
Trendsetters? Okay. All right. So let's do the Canadian one first.
So we're saying it's open to U.S. and Canada.
Yeah,
right?
It's open to U.S. and Canada.
I don't know where it went, but we're gonna go ahead and give away a set of these ones.
These ones, yeah.
And you got to follow the rules, and these people followed the rules, and there was actually only 2 people that followed the rules out of the 27 comments. One of them emailed us, and one of us messaged. So what we're going to do, same thing. Comment below what you would screw to your PACKOUT these rails, and include your Instagram handle, or
email
say, and this is the exact example. You're going to say, JakeOfALL, I would nail PACKOUT Princess to the side of this. You're right, screw. I said screw. I would. No, I can't say that on YouTube.
Put on the side.
I would put this on the side of my PACKOUT. My Instagram is at
blah blah blah.
PACKOUT Princess is the best. Or if you don't have Instagram. You're gonna say I would screw a dent removal kit to the side of my PACKOUT, and I shot you an email.
Then in the email, you need to let me know what your YouTube name was, because if you don't let me know what your YouTube name is, I can't match your email with YouTube to let me know that you commented.
So when she gets an email that says Big John at AOL.com, I'm the guy who commented on your video, and my YouTube handle is Big John.
That's the right
blah, 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 blah.
Yep.
That's how you're going to win stuff. I realize you got to jump through hoops, but we're not asking you for shipping. We're not asking you for anything else. And our descriptions on how we do the giveaways take longer than these videos themselves. So, we want to give you your winnings. We have piles of winnings that people don't claim, so we're just trying to make sure that you guys get your stuff.
Yep.
And that's it.
Okay.
Now she's got the winners.
Okay.
And we're just going to send whoever we want them to, right? We're not nobody's necessarily.
Right. So Ted McDonald.
Ted McDonald, long time.
3377.
Thank you.
One of them. And the other one was David Gilbert, 6498.
Ted did the Instagram and David did the email.
Yes.
So you guys follow directions, so you guys get the bench clips, compliments of Stealth Mounts, and that's it.
Yep.
So thanks for following directions, and in this video, make sure you follow directions more, because you're going to win
all that
a
fun
full
stuff.
pack of these. You can do an entire pack out or 2 pack outs or whatever you want.
Yeah.
So have a good one.
It's Friday.
We're going to go like hang out at a pool and drink this weekend.
Yes.
We are not going to get sloppy. We're going to have fun in the sun.
Fun in the sun is what we're going to do this weekend.
Yeah.
And we're celebrating some of our friends' birthdays. So.
Oh yeah.
All right. So it's time to pack out.
See y'all.